Hi and welcome. Welcome to a comprehensive review of Flippa. Today, I'm going to take you through an in-depth review of Flippa.com and figure out if it is truly the best place to buy and sell online businesses. In this review, we'll explore what Flippa is used for, its main features, pricing, pros and cons, and by the end, you'll be able to make an informed decision as to whether Flippa is really the best fit for you. Flippa is one of the most popular online marketplaces for buying and selling digital assets, including websites, e-commerce stores, domain names, apps, and lots more. Whether you're an investor looking to acquire a profitable e-commerce store, a blogger wanting to sell a website, or an entrepreneur interested in purchasing a mobile app, Flippa provides a platform where these transactions can take place. Founded in 2009, Flippa has established itself as a go-to platform for entrepreneurs looking to acquire or divest digital businesses. Flippa caters to both small-scale businesses and more substantial enterprises, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Sellers list their assets and buyers can browse through listings, perform due diligence, place bids, or make offers. Now let us talk about the main features. Wide range of listings. Flippa hosts a vast selection of digital assets from small blogs to large e-commerce sites, SaaS businesses, domain names, and mobile apps. This diversity allows buyers to find opportunities that suit their interests and budgets. Auction and buy it now options. Sellers can list their assets either in an auction format where buyers bid until a set deadline or with a buy it now price for immediate purchase. This flexibility is beneficial for both buyers and sellers. Due diligence tools. Flippa provides tools to help buyers evaluate the legitimacy and potential of a listing. This includes Google Analytics integration, financial performance data, and seller feedback. Buyers can also ask sellers direct questions to gain more insight into the business. Broker services. For high-value assets, Flippa offers broker services where professional brokers assist in the sale process from valuation to negotiation and closing the deal. This is particularly useful for sellers looking to maximize the value of their digital assets. Valuation tool. Flippa offers a free valuation tool that gives sellers an estimate of what their online businesses might be worth. This is based on factors like traffic, revenue, and niche, helping sellers price their assets appropriately. Now let us talk about the pricing. Flippa charges a listing fee, which varies depending on the type of assets being sold and the listing duration. The basic website listing fee starts at around $49. Successful sales also incur a success fee, which is a percentage of the final sale price. This fee can range from 5 to 15% depending on the value of the assets. Here is a listing package that you can choose from standard to premium or to a brokered. Sellers should be aware that these fees can add up, especially for higher value transactions. What are the pros and cons of using Flippa? First, we talk about the pros. Large and active marketplace. Flippa has a vast user base, which means listings get significant exposure, increasing the likelihood of a successful sale. Diverse listings. The range of digital assets available is extensive, providing opportunities for buyers with varied interests. Due diligence supports. Flippa's tools and services helps buyers conduct thorough due diligence, reducing the risk of buying a problematic asset. Escrow service. The built-in escrow service enhances transaction security, providing peace of mind to both buyers and sellers. How about the cons? High fees. Flippa's listing and success fees can be relatively high, particularly for premium listings and brokered transactions. This can eat into the profit margins for sellers. Quality control. While Flippa has a wide range of listings, the quality of these assets can vary significantly. There is always a risk of encountering fraudulent or underperforming assets despite the due diligence tools. Competition. The platform's popularity means that there is a high level of competition both for buyers seeking deals and for sellers trying to attract attention to their listings. Limited customer support. Some users have reported that Flippa's customer support can be slow to respond, which can be frustrating when dealing with high-stakes transactions. Here's the question: is Flippa a good fit? Flippa stands out as a versatile and user-friendly platform for buying and selling online businesses. Its broad range of listings and tools for due diligence make it a solid choice for both novice and experienced entrepreneurs. However, the platform's high fees, varying asset quality, and competitive environment might deter some users. For those looking to buy or sell smaller online businesses or domains, Flippa is a great fit due to its extensive marketplace and ease of use. However, for higher value transactions or those seeking more curated listings, alternative platforms like Empire Flippers, Motion Invest, or FE International might be worth considering. Ultimately, whether Flippa is the best choice depends on your specific needs and the type of assets that you're dealing with. It offers a good balance of accessibility and functionality, but it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully before proceeding with a transaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.